Hi everyone. In one of my posts, I asked you guys who is a true soldier, and I got so many responses, and I was really glad to read them. I want you guys to go and read those comments once again. So, this video is going to be about how you should be a true soldier in your real life. Okay? So, what is a soldier? Is it only about a person who serves the defense force, or is it about the attitude a particular person has? So, I would like to specify more on the second one, like the attitude a particular person should have. So, I want you all to be true soldiers in your real life as well. I'm talking about the attitude that you should have. Okay, so when I read the comments, like few, I've just noted down few of the comments that you have written. Competence to face any uncertainty in his life. Okay, now to a particular candidate, this is what a true soldier is. Now this should be implemented in your life as well. It's not that only when you wear uniform you become a soldier and then do this. No, it's about the attitude. It is about even when you are in your civil dress, like you should have this quality in you. See, we all are human beings. We all have faced uncertainties in life. So how do you handle it? All these things matters a lot. So I want you to be a true soldier in your real life as well, is what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, protect his country is what another candidate has written. Like, I think so many candidates have written this. Now, what is this protect this country is all about? Why do why do we have borders? Ultimately it is to protect the people of this country, right? If you can't help your neighbor who needs help, how will you protect this nation? So all these things matter. So I want you to think in a broader perspective, so that you will have better understanding, and your qualities also will start improving. I mean, your personality will start improving. Complete his tasks given, irrespective of what may come. Now there will be so many people who are working, or maybe like even like if you're studying also, like you come across a lot of tasks like deadlines. Are you able to get things done? Like there will be challenges, definitely there will be challenges, but are you overcoming all those things and getting tasks done? Does it require a uniform to get this done? Not really, right? This can happen in your day-to-day life also. So I'm just talking about the attitude you should have. So implement these things, like whatever you think a true soldier is, implement those things in your real life. So I think, like every day you will grow up is what I guess. And again, it is not just about SSB or just about joining the defense. No, it is all about improving yourself, becoming a better human being, having a better approach towards life. End of the day, it will encourage you, and it will also will encourage some other people to see what you're doing and implement that in their life as well. Okay, having sense of responsibility. There were so many comments. Okay, like see, it's really great to see. You guys have got an amazing idea about, like how a soldier should be. So those things are great, but I want you to implement that in your real life, is what I'm saying. Now, I always used to say, like, believe yourself as an officer. If you check all my initial videos, like in this SSB tips, you will see that I've always said that believe yourself as an officer. So why I have said so is because there were so many candidates who had self doubt, who found it very difficult to take initiativeness. So these things, like believe yourself as an officer and all, when they literally took it, I started seeing confidence, that fire in many of them. Like they started like, okay, I'm an officer, I have to get this thing done. So that kind of a fire attitude was developed in many of the candidates. Like, and I got so many messages, and I was really glad about it. Now there are certain people who will misunderstand it. Okay, I'm an officer. That attitude, slightly different. Somewhere, that self-centeredness creeps in. Like, it's not with everybody. Very few candidates. Okay, I guess, like, that shouldn't come up. It's all about selfless service for this country. So I'll just share an incident with you. I got a message from one of the candidate. He said, ma'am, I wanted to serve this country, and I wanted to get Paramveer Chakra. So you know that, like, how a person will, how a soldier gets Paramveer Chakra. So this is my opinion. So his intention is to get reward. Like, he wants people to know about him. So that some way that self-centeredness has creeped in. I don't think it is a good quality. Like, it's just for me, okay? Like, he might be amazing person. That's all right, but this particular thing, according to me, is not a great quality of a soldier, is what I believe. Because a true soldier will get his work done. Like, he's never bothered about whether he's getting awards or anything. Like, he's not interested in all those stuff. So that selflessness matters a lot. So I want you to be true soldiers in your real life. Definitely, you can think as an officer. That's amazing. Like, if that gives you better confidence and all, that's great. I have friends who are serving in the Indian Army as officers, and they always say that, मैं soldier हूँ. I'm a soldier. They don't say that I'm an officer. So I think there is a difference. Like, end of the day, they see themselves as a soldier first. Then only these ranks, all those stuffs come after that. So I want you all to be true soldiers. Whatever ideologies that you have about a true soldier, implement that in your life. Jai Hind.